Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock account. First, you need to select a brokerage firm. Consider factors like their reputation, the types of investments they offer, and their fee structure. Do you prefer a full-service broker for guidance or a discount broker for lower costs? Make sure their platform is user-friendly and provides good customer support. Next, you'll choose the right account type. This could be a standard taxable brokerage account or a retirement account like an IRA. Gather your personal information, including your social security number and a valid form of identification. Once your account is open, you can fund it through various methods, such as an electronic transfer from your bank account or by mailing a check. Now it's time to understand what you can invest in. Explore different options such as individual stocks, bonds, or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. Each investment carries its own level of risk and potential for return. It's crucial to diversify your portfolio across various asset classes to help mitigate risk and achieve your long-term financial objectives. Finally, you're ready to place your first trade. Familiarize yourself with your brokerage platform's interface for buying and selling. Start with a small amount to get comfortable. Remember to regularly monitor your investments and be prepared to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. For more insights on managing your finances, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.